The video begins with a close-up of very dirty teeth, covered with yellow stains, plaque, and tartar. The teeth look unhealthy and neglected, highlighting the importance of proper oral care. The camera slowly moves to show every detail of the buildup, emphasizing the rough texture and discoloration. The scene transitions to a dentist preparing for a professional cleaning. The dentist carefully uses a dental scaler and other tools, gently removing plaque and tartar from the teeth surfaces. The process is detailed and satisfying, showing how dirt and stains gradually disappear. Tiny particles of plaque come off, revealing the natural tooth surface underneath. As the cleaning progresses, the teeth start to look cleaner. The dentist continues working meticulously, polishing each tooth to remove stubborn stains. The gums appear healthier as the plaque is cleared away, and the overall look begins to improve. The camera captures the smooth movement of the dental tools and the transformation in real time. After the cleaning, the dentist applies a tooth filling to repair any damaged areas. The filling blends seamlessly with the natural tooth color, restoring both function and appearance. The previously rough and discolored areas are now smooth, with no signs of decay remaining. Finally, the video shows the fully cleaned and polished teeth. They are white, shiny, and healthy looking, reflecting light naturally. The gums are pink and healthy, and the teeth have a smooth, flawless surface. The camera captures the final close-up, highlighting the dramatic transformation from neglected teeth to a sparkling smile. The overall impression is satisfying, educational, and visually impressive, demonstrating the power of professional dental care.